to do the next thing, you have to know how to draw a ribbon. So this is high technology. A ribbon is an S-curve, and then we're going to have straights. Straight, 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 straight. Okay? S-curves and straight, 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 straight. All right? S-curves and straight, 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 straight. And then I am going to repeat the S-curve, but I'm going to have it go through all those points. See? And that makes the ribbon. Okay? Now, I can make a ribbon look like a ribbon, straight up and down, or I can make a snappy ribbon, like Tiopolo. And I'm going to arc my sides in a little bit like this. This is snappy ribbon drawing technique. I'll probably have to copyright that phrase, snappy ribbon drawing technique. Okay? Here we go. And then I connect the dots like this. And I get those banners like you see in Tiopolo paintings. It's basically where I saw the trick and thought, oh, that's great, I'm going to steal it. All right? So, steal from the masters. What you can't do is this. This is what students want to do. I don't know why. There should be studies done of this. But students always want to have the sides bow out like this. And that, do not do this. Because what it does is it says your ribbon is a sausage. Okay? And it's good if you're going to draw an eel, right? Because these fat sides, like this, can be helpful if I'm drawing an eel, you see? They're not very helpful if I'm drawing a ribbon, though. See? Okay? Okay. So, if I'm going to draw any of these ferns, they're basically like that ribbon. They go like this. And then here is the back of the ribbon. I have to draw through that point, and I just put a point on it, and I've got it, right? See? If I want an action-adventure fern, a snappy fern, I'll do this, because it looks cool. We all agreed we want our drawings to look cool, right? Anybody not want their drawings to look cool? Okay. All right. Now, once you understand this, let me show you what a fern does not do, and this is what students do. Right? That looks like an old foot out of Mad Magazine. Right? You've basically broken the stem of the fern, and it's not a ribbon anymore. All right? So don't do that. When we draw leaves, remember, we have to think in terms of simple and complex. A leaf, like everything else, is going to have a simple side and a complex side. And again, I make everything very obvious in a demo. These things are done in art, but they're made more subtle. So if I put in leaves like this, okay, so there's my leaf pattern. My leaf pattern has simple, complex, simple, complex, simple, complex. We can never get away from simple and complex because simple and complex creates clarity. All right? Okay? I might do something like use a mass on occasion to separate one of these from the other. See? But a mass is a simple. It's just a dark simple. And remember, simples are not just white pages. It's something that doesn't have detail in it. That's what simple is. Okay? And remember, masses give my drawing graphic power. That's where you go first now. You don't go here anymore. You go there. So now I know where to go. Right? Also, I might draw the bottom side of my leaves a little darker than I would draw the tops. See? I'll come in like this, and if I come in like this, I'm describing the shape of the leaf in the mass, which is something we talked about yesterday, which is use the mass to describe the surface that it's falling on, because if I do it right, I don't have to do anything else. You see? So what's good for medieval architecture is good for drawing a leaf in a garden. Remember, all these tools apply to everything.